However, one day I was far away from the hostel and was running after a kite. The author was away from his hostel, means was out from the hostel, and he was running after the kite, running behind the kite. I was trying to save it from a group of boys, and he was trying to catch that kite from those boys who had chased it with long bamboo poles. As the kite was struck with the bamboo pole, and the boys were trying to catch that kite, and suddenly I collided meaning is hit, means when the author was trying to catch that kite from the bamboo pole, he hit with his brother, and his big brother was coming from the market. He grabbed me angrily, and his big brother held the author angrily and shouted, "Aren't you ashamed to be running with the street boys?" As the author's brother thought that the author was running with the street boys, so he asked from the author that whether he was not feeling shameful that he was running with the street boys after a 1 paisa kite, after such a cheap kite. You are an 8th grade boy. You are in 8th standard and should have some sense, means you should think about your study. You must have assumed meaning is thought that just because I am 1 grade ahead of you now, that I am in 9th and you are in 8th, that is I am just 1 class senior from you, I have no right to say anything. And the author's brother said that he thought, means author had thought maybe he is 1 year younger to the author in according to the class, then he have no right to say anything to the author. Please remember, I am still 5 years older, but according to the age, the author and author's brother has a age difference of 5 years. So he said he is still 5 years older than author, and he always will be. Even if the author get an MA or a PhD, the author's brother would be older than the author, means you are still my younger brother, means author would be still smaller or younger than the author's brother. Understanding does not come from the books, and he also said that understanding will not come from the books. Think of our mother, and he told to author to think about his parents, his mother. She never went to school, and father probably meaning is maybe never went beyond the 5th grade. Beyond meaning is after, means if they would talk about author's mother or father, then they had never, or mother had never gone to school, or maybe his father had never gone to school after 5th class. However, they still have the right to correct us, but they are their parents, and they have the right that they can correct them if they are moving on the wrong path. Not just because they are our parents, but also because they have lived longer, because they have a better experience. They have more experience than author and his brother, and have more experience than us. They may be ignorant meaning is uneducated, about what is happening in the USA, means they didn't have a knowledge that what is happening around the world, what is happening in the USA, but there are many practical things that they know about, but there are many other things which they know better than author or author's brother. Tomorrow if I fall sick, then he gave the example that if the author's brother would fall sick, the best that you could do, means you here meaning is author, and he said to the author that best thing which the author could do is send home a telegram, means he would write a letter at home. But father wouldn't do that, but the father wouldn't write a letter to anyone. He would try to find a remedy meaning is solution. The father would try to find the solution of author's brother's illness, or he would go to the doctor. We find it difficult to make our allowance meaning is payment, last through the month, and sometime it was difficult for author or author's brother to manage their expenditure at the last of the month. However, father has brought up a family on half of what the two of us spend today. Means how much money the author or author's brother were spending that time. The author's brother said maybe half of that money would be used by their father in their time to fulfill the needs of the family. So, brother, don't be proud of having caught up with me. So he told the author that no need to feel proud that you are away from the family, you are living with me and you are independent. I will see that you do not go off the track. Go off the track meaning is go to any wrong path. Means the author's brother have all the rights that he would take care about the author, that he would not go to any wrong path. I know you do not like my lecture, but I am doing my duty. And author's brother told to author that he knew that author didn't like his brother's lecture, his brother's scolding, but it was his duty. This new approach of my brother completely stunned me. Stunned meaning is shocked. And by listening these things from his brother, the author was totally shocked and I was mortified. Mortified meaning is shameful. And the author was feeling shameful at his behavior. I realized my own insignificance. Insignificance meaning is unimportance, and felt a new respect for my brother. And he started giving more respect to his brother with tears in my eyes. And there were tears after getting these lecture, after getting these listening these things from his brother. There were the tears in author's eyes, and I said, I realize my folly. Folly meaning is foolishness. And author said that now he had realized his foolishness. What you have said is very true. You have every right to say it. Means you had every right, you can scold me. My brother embraced me. Embraced meaning is hugged. The author's brother hugged him and said, I don't forbid. Forbid meaning is stop or ban you to fly kite. Means I am not saying that don't fly kites. I like doing it. Even author's brother liked to fly kites. However, if I do that, who will look after you? But author's brother said, if he would himself fly kites or waste time in playing, then who would take care about author? Suddenly a kite that had been cut loose hovered over us, and then they saw one kite was floating over their head, its string dangling down. Dangling meaning is hanging down. A group of boys were chasing it. The group of boys were running behind that kite to catch it. My brother jumped up and caught hold of the string, but his brother, author's brother, jumped and caught that string and ran towards the hostel by holding that string or by holding that kite in his hands. He had a smile on his face, and at that time author's brother had a smile on his face. Without a minute's delay and without wasting time, author followed him, trying to get hold of the kite in his hand. Means he was also trying to carry, or he was also trying to hold that kite which author's brother had caught firstly.